What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to bring something to your attention really quick. I know a lot of people have been asking me about leverage trading and different platforms for it. I've been exploring leverage trading a little bit, and I've been doing it with Margex. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but you can trade up to 100x leverage on this platform. And I have a link down below if you guys want to get started and check it out for yourself. If you're interested in leverage trading, there's no KYC, so you're not really seeing. You're going to have the ability in the U.S. to be able to use this platform and trade some of these different plays that are on here. Now, I hear that they're going to be adding, Caspa to this as well. So if you guys are interested in trading leverage within Caspa, you could definitely do that as they are going to be adding this new position over here. And I'm pretty sure they're going to be adding other ones that we can talk about later in different videos. But it should be very interesting for a lot of people that are excited about different plays that are running that may be worth $1.5 billion, if you catch my drift. So anyways, you can basically trade with this leverage. If you add $100 or $1,000, you can trade and get, $12,000 worth of, leverage there, or $20,000 worth of leverage, profit with the leverage, the profit without leverage. So if you did see, let's say you had 100x leverage on $1,000, your profit that you can have with leverage, $20,000 profit without, would be like $200 on a 20% price change. So obviously you can see more of a gain there. You can also have that risk of more of a loss. So if you're interested in leverage, you understand the risks that you would play with leverage. But if you don't understand it, feel free to reach out to me. We can always talk about what risks you do take within leverage trading. But this is a platform to be able to do that. Now, I've been exploring it a little bit because I wanted to start trading on leverage and do it with a small amount that's not going to be complete game changer to my portfolio, especially as I'm testing out the market in more short-term environments. But you can see here that you have the ability to easily add whatever leverage you really want to trade on, whether it's 5x or 19 or 38 or 57, you'll have that ability to do so. And again, it's available in the US, so it's not like a KuCoin, or it's not like an MEXC or a Gate.io where you can't trade in the US anymore. It's not offered to US traders and US investors. You have Margex that is available there. So if you guys are interested, again, I'll provide a link down below. This is something that I'm exploring and I have an account with and I added money to. So I'm going to start continually trying to trade on leverage and see how that works for me. And again, if you guys are interested, that link will be down below. But make sure you guys check out any of the other links that are down below. If you guys want to follow me on YouTube, if you're not subscribed, feel free to subscribe. Or if you want to subscribe on Rumble, feel free to do that as well. But I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.